Slide down in the chair a little bit, bro. There we go. I'm gonna check it here first. It's a sweet shirt you got on.
Oh, thank you. Should see the jacket.
I'm gonna come real low here first. Drop it down. There's one. Good. And when I was checking you, I could see the lean here and the lower neck, so we're gonna come as low as we can. Drop. There it is. Good. Go ahead and stand up. Bring your feet out towards me a little more, brother. That's it. You're gonna hug yourself here. Chin down toward your chest. Roll forward. Keep your chin down the whole time. Breath in and out. Chin down. That's it. You're gonna sit down right here. Keep it loose here. Relax here. Sit up nice and straight. I'm gonna set your shoulder here. Drop it all the way down. Drop. That's good. Turn your head that way. Other side. Drop. There it is. Good. The worst part is me putting the second block in. I gotta squeeze in quite a bit. If I don't, when I pull, you're gonna slide that. We wanna minimize that motion.
Go for it.
If you can't breathe, it's too tight. I can back off a little bit. I'm gonna look at the top of your pelvis. So slide down. Go down. A little bit more. That should be enough. Relax your pelvis. There you go. Not too bad there, right? I'm gonna pull you up to test. If you feel like you're sliding all the way through, we're gonna need to tighten it up some more. Can we see your hands? How's that?
That's good.
Good. Hands on your belly button. Nice and relaxed. You're gonna keep your mouth closed, teeth together the entire time. I don't want you clenching or biting your tongue.
Sure.
Just gonna breathe in and out through your nose only. Lift your head up for me. Drop it back down. There we go. It's gonna be nice and quick. Good. Deep one. Let it out. Oh yeah.
I felt that.
I think I felt that one too. Now let that sink in for a moment. That one good.
Wow. Yeah, that's it.
What'd you feel?
Money. Yeah, no, I felt it all the way down.
Stretching, pulling.
Yeah, stretching, pulling, like
Popped all the way down.
popped all the way down.
That's what that scoliosis has been needing, bro.
Yeah, I've never felt a crack like that.
This is a total different angle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good, dude. Once you're ready,
Yeah.
go ahead and walk it off.